If you don't know, at DAC and there, NDC MP for Asin North, James Gyakye Quayson, and the Supreme Court had the ruling by, and a ruling nearby, and you say young council ni din in free parliament mu. Na young council no onye MP. Asem we asem bi abon for pusa say na then a Supreme Court be yesa. Say NDC MP ye be yen sa ensem bebre me ya analysis wo ho me hu ne say Ghana for bebre na comment wo analysis ne so ebi mu ka tre me say analysis no nsem amaka no ade bi a binja ka ma me fa ma no nka but you see media dey make an say analysis dey me hu na make. I've seen a lot of people react to this. The NPP have reacted and they are happy. Almost say good. Say Supreme Court take its decision. No. I've also seen say NDC through minority leader, and so I reacted. I'll bring you that reaction. But Mr. James Gyakye Quayson nanka so ababe reacted or say enya he asem fa na asem ko wabre ade we why disappointed na so no de oja asem no ema Ghana for ye ni na ye conscience oja Ghana for ni na ma ye conscience because ye Ghana for no ye jaji asem na Ghana for na de ba ko no ye MPP ni kra na woka obeka se chale ade we ya ye de NDC MP ne de ye bi nsi wo Ghana dawo se wo ya ade we pa na ya pame no na yesi yen cancel ni free na ye the Supreme Court yi no free we de to say o jai ama judgment of Ghana for conscience but on di asem na chibium on wasting the time en kongo di asem na chibium. Now it is a good decision that he has taken. We will come to why it is a good decision and why na say onko di asem na chibium. But let's go and read in somewhere or the two. I will say the post MP for Asin North, James Gyakye Quayson, says he's disappointed in the decision of the Supreme Court he's disappointed in the decision of the Supreme Court to get his records expunged as a member of Parliament. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court, by a unanimous decision, ordered the Parliament of Ghana to expunge his name from its record as a member of Parliament. The court ruled that the Electoral Commission acted unconstitutionally in allowing him to contest the 2020 parliamentary elections without proof that he had denounced his Canadian citizenship at the time he filed his nomination in October 2020 to contest the parliamentary elections in the Asin North constituency. Now, me person me bisa asem say, in the idea we are AC, who do we blame? Punishment, no? Will some go to the Electoral Commissioner or what? Because still, Embra Emma Electoral Commission kwan, so will be the Nenkrata ba. Na Nenkrata no ensem fata any kwan say Oma nipa krono or register. Ena James Gyakye Quayson den Nenkrata ba ena Electoral Commission hwe Nenkrata ni mu a wo hu say ani. Nenkrata we de e wo say register no ena mo register no. Ye wie ya asem no copy court no say Electoral Commission no ena ye mistake. It is Electoral Commission ni ye mistake who has to suffer? Is it the Electoral Commission or the person? Because Electoral Commission na man stand there say na kende mistake number. It is yes say Electoral Commission a mistake because ruling no Oshe ruling now say the court ruled that the Electoral Commission acted unconstitutionally. So if the Electoral Commission has acted unconstitutionally, who is to suffer? Anyway, your guess is as good as mine. Also, Mr. Quayson stated in a letter that even though the Electoral Commission inspected his renunciation certificate in November 2020, prior to allowing him to contest the elections in accordance with the EC's regulations, which the law presumes to be regular, the court held that he should have offered his proof to the EC at the time of filing for his nomination. Also, he stated, "It is a matter of public record that I filed for the renunciation of my Canadian citizenship in December 2019. It is also a matter of record that I left Canada in February 2020. It is also a matter of record that as soon as I applied for renunciation of my Canadian citizenship and left Canada, I lost all the rights of Canadian citizenship. It is also a matter of record that I picked up my renunciation certificate from the Canadian Embassy in Accra in November 2020. He further stated that it is also a matter of public record that Canadian law does not say I owe allegiance to Canada, even after filing for renunciation. In fact, Canadian law is unequivocal that disapproval of allegiance is subjective. Disavowal of allegiance is subjective and can be done at any time, including immediately after swearing the oath of citizenship. Thus, under Canadian law, I owed no allegiance to Canada at all material times. Metria asemne emu etremo. Ibako ne yesi oye Canada ni. Ghana mratre se uye oman foforo ni a untumi enstande. Inti wonim se wo be stande abato no. Ena oka se Canada ni na meye no mempe. Maka tre Canada for. By November 2020, ena Canada for den the certificate man say no kware ye yi wudi fi Canada for mu into onye Canada ni biom. O won the certificate won nkrata won e bibia. December ene ekokoto aba na eto ma no yeto aba wie ye say ni bakuri wo ye Canada ni o say oh November na menya me certificate ni November eno na me de ko tre EC ena EC pene ye e ma me stande ye because me ye Canada ni ana kan ni kwan say EC be ma stande na we ni na a public record me wo prove e the evidence at records na ni na echi rule na ye deba any. I say, Mr. Quayson says, I am of course disappointed by the court's decision. I am especially surprised that the court now says that foreign bureaucrats now determine whether natural-born Ghanaians have the right to contest for parliamentary elections in Ghana or not. Thus, a country that does not allow renunciation of its citizenship can bar a natural-born Ghanaian who has severed all relations with a country of acquired citizenship from ever standing for MP. He nevertheless noted that he has turned the page on litigating this matter in the court of justice and will now leave it to the court of conscience, which Gandhi reminds us supersedes all other courts. He assured that the constituency remains his priority and he is helping to develop his constituency as it has always been. The deposed MP for Asin North assured his constituents that nothing has changed and he will work even harder than before to win their support and to attain the set goals. From what he's saying, I thank the good people of Asin North, the leadership of the NDC, my attorneys, and the numerous Ghanaians from all sides of the political divide who have supported me during these turbulent times. Together, we must ensure that we build a progressive and inclusive society that does not treat any of our citizens as second-class citizens. May God bless our homeland Ghana and bless my beloved Asin North constituency and her people. Enkrata watrono eni enkrata watroni. And the MPP for said they are now waiting on the Attorney General. As someone Mekano said the next move for the MPP, they say they will try to sue him to get him imprisoned. Yes, they will try to get him imprisoned because so Mekano, a lot of people are not happy, but that is the play. That is the play. That has been the play for all this while. So prepare for that. I mean, am I happy about it? I mean, what can you do? What can you do? Won't try to comment box anymore. Why? Won't try to that's it.